Marchwood Dental welcomes you to our practice, located at the corner of March Road and Halton Terrace in Kanata North. From the moment you walk into our spacious reception area, you will be surrounded by comfort and tranquility. Enjoy the ambiance of our fireplace while sipping a refreshment from our hot and cold beverage station. With plenty of seating and a separate children's area, you can watch a program on our large screen television, read quietly, or even work remotely using our complimentary Wi-Fi. The clinical area of our office features 6 spacious operatories with loads of natural light coming in from well-appointed skylights and large windows in each room. Our operatories are equipped with 4K HD televisions, wireless headphones for your relaxation and noise cancellation, cozy leather treatment chairs, as well as digital imaging equipment and education monitors. Marchwood Dental is focused on providing you with state-of-the-art technology by incorporating 3 digital scanners into our daily treatment routine. This CAD/CAM technology eliminates the need for bothersome and messy impressions and provides us with the most accurate and infinite details of each tooth and surrounding tissue. Quick, seamless transmissions of digital scans from chairside to lab results in quick turnaround time, allowing you to have your treatment completed in less temporization time than ever before. In many cases, we can fabricate ceramic crowns and onlays in one convenient appointment using the Cerec scanner and milling unit. The Sirona MCX milling unit fabricates beautiful, lifelike, custom ceramic crowns and onlays in a matter of minutes with extreme precision. This German technology is renowned worldwide as a leader in the field. As pleased as we are to present each patient with a soothing environment for your dental treatment, our true pride comes from the team ensemble we have to administer it. You will be served by a team of caring and friendly professionals who truly love what they do. Laughter can often be heard in the hallways, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Our goal at Marchwood Dental is to provide you with the highest standard of individualized dental care by a dedicated team, specifically brought together to achieve nothing less than the best for you and your family.